On today's episode, we're going to make some homemade shawarma.
Cheers.
Okay.
Which is sure to be a new favorite in your house. The ingredients are allspice, cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, salt, pepper, olive oil, 2 chicken breasts, and 2 cloves of garlic. While adding 2 tablespoons of every spice except salt and pepper, enjoy the smell and the aroma of all the spices. Mix the spices. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Whisk together the olive oil and the spices. Pour the mixture over the 2 chicken breasts. Press the garlic. Now add 2 more tablespoons of oil. If you like this episode so far, please take a second to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification and share with a friend. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. Mix the chicken, the spices on the olive oil very well. You can also use a Ziploc bag. If you are in a hurry, you can cook right away. Either bake it in the oven at 425 degrees for about half an hour to 40 minutes. Or I would suggest marinating it for about an hour in the fridge or even overnight. The chicken has been marinating for about 2 hours. I'm gonna put it in the oven that's been preheated to 425. I recommend you put it in the middle rack. Check on it in about half an hour. Total cooking time is about 40 minutes. Here is the finished product with a side of homemade garlic dip, which I will show you in another video. You can have it over salad or in a pita or in a wrap. Enjoy!